let's say you wanted to stretch out the pictures on the area page to where the photos would scale up and you would be able to see them better. First, in order to do that, you're going to go to My Shopify, which is just an attachment to your URL. And you're going to go to the back end right here. You're going to click on Online Store. You're going to click on Customize. Once you do that, head over to Catalog. And let's say you wanted to actually change this layout, right? You want the pictures bigger. Go over to this little sidebar right here. Click on Collection Pages. Go over here to where it says Products per Row. Click 2. What this will do is this will pull up pictures and enlarge them. In the grid, and the pictures will enlarge according or relative to the grid. So it does it automatically for you. And these are just some other specs here that you don't really necessarily need to worry about.